The next point we will see will be how to create an update set. From this point, we will begin to make practical examples to understand it much better. So let's go to our instance. Here we have it. To access the update set list, we can do it in two different ways. On the one hand, we can search in the search menu for local update set, and a menu will appear from which we can access the list. On the other hand, we can go to the world-shaped icon that we have at the top right. By clicking that icon, we can see the application we are working on, as well as the update set. If we click on the update set, we can see all the ones that are created in our instance, so we can change the update set we are working with directly from here. And with the icons above, we can open the list of update sets or the update set record in concrete with which we are working. In our case, we will press the list option. By pressing it, we will directly enter the update set list of our instance, where we can see all those update sets that are created there. And to create a new update set, we will only have to press the new button. Pressing it will take us directly to the update set creation form. In this form, it will be enough to fill in the name field. In the case of this personal instance, I have created the update set type field, to be able to group the update sets by type, something that can be useful if you have a large quantity. We will see the usefulness of the parent field in the next section of the video, and in this case we will also fill in the description field. And after this, we will have two options. On the one hand, we can press the Submit and Make Current button. With this button we will save the record and it will become the update set in which we will be saving the changes from now on. On the other hand, we can press the Submit button, with which the record will be saved, but we will continue working on with the update set that we have been working on until now. In our case it will be the update set default. We will use the latter. And when we press it we can see that it already appears in the list of update sets. Now we will see how we can group several update sets, in such a way that when we have to export and import it, we will only have to do it for the parent update set, and we will not have to do it one by one. Normally this is very useful so that when several developers are working on the same update package, each one can work with their own update set, but then everything can be moved between instances at the same time. For the practical example, we will create a second update set. To do this, we will go to the update set list, and press the New button. Once in the form we will fill in the name field and the description field and press the Submit button. And now, we will move on to the part of creating the parent update set. To do this we will press the New button. In the name field, it is advisable to put a descriptive name so that we can easily identify which update is where the rest will be grouped. In our case, we can put the word parent at the end of the name, and we will proceed to save the record. Once we have it created, we will open the update sets, which will be within this parent update set. And in each of them we will fill the parent field with the update set that we just created. We will save both records, and if we go to our parent update set, we will see that in the child update set tab, both of them already appear. Once we have the associated records, we can verify that when we complete our parent update set, we get an informative message telling us that when we complete the parent update set, the child update sets will be automatically completed. And indeed, if we press the Yes button and go to the other update sets, we will verify that they have been completed automatically. This is how we end this video. We remind you that this video is a fragment of the full video, where we see other functionalities about the update sets, and we recommend that you watch. If you want to go see it, we leave you the link in the description. If you want to see more content about a large number of topics related to ServiceNow, do not hesitate to subscribe to be informed when we upload new content. If you liked it and it was useful to you, please leave your like and share. And if you want any specific content, let us know in the comments box. We also leave you in the description the link to our Instagram that we just created and where we will upload more content and news about ServiceNow. See you in the next video at ServiceNow Pro Solutions.